Hot beverage cookie, welcome to our sweet world. In this video, we invite you to discover the magic of coffee biscuit puddings. Whether you're a coffee lover or a pastry enthusiast, this recipe will delight your taste buds and impress your guests. Get ready to experience a unique and delicious culinary adventure. Introduction asterisk. In our quest to create tasty desserts, we decided to combine two of our favorites, coffee and biscuits. Imagine creamy layers of pudding delicately mixed with crunchy coffee-soaked biscuits. It's a true treat for the senses. Video content asterisk. Throughout this video, we will guide you through each step of preparing these irresistible puddings. Here's what you'll learn. 1. Essential ingredients asterisk. Freshly brewed coffee, biscuits such as tea biscuits or speculoos, cream, milk, and sugar for a creamy pudding. Optional toppings like grated chocolate or nuts. 2. Preparation asterisk. How to prepare coffee for the best flavor. Techniques for making a perfect, creamy, and tasty pudding. Tips for layering biscuits and pudding. 3. Variations asterisk. Coffee and caramel pudding. Gluten-free version with alternative biscuits. Vegan recipe for an animal product-free dessert. Key points asterisk. Ease of preparation asterisk. Even kitchen beginners can easily make this recipe. Customization asterisk. Add your favorite flavors to create your own version. Quickness asterisk. A dessert that can be prepared in a few simple steps. Call to action asterisk. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and culinary tips. If you love coffee as much as we do, leave a comment below telling us your favorite way to enjoy coffee. Share this video with your friends and start making these coffee biscuits today.